Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Jamie's Mini Mods, and today we're going to be fitting a brand new kit that we've just received from Chrome, the dechroming kit for the Mini F55 and F56. But today, because it's a wee bit colder, we're going to have to use a hairdryer to heat up the glue a wee bit. A normal person would use a heat gun, but I don't have one of those, and I don't have a hairdryer, but I know somebody who does. So I've got a little helper for today, and here she is, Eva.
Hello, thank you.
Alright, so let's get this unboxed from Chrome then. So, what have we got? It comes in a box like this, and in the box what we've got, we have one rear surround, headlight surround, another rear, and another headlight. That's a good start. So two of each, that's what we need. Also got the grille surrounds. Oh, that's going to look good. Okay, and a couple of boxes. Okay, so we've got the usual stuff from Chrome. Picture of a lovely Mini, which that's a beast. And just details about the Facebook group and stuff. We have got pre-injection swabs, isopropanol, which is great, and that's quite good to include that in the pack. But I do have my own, plenty of it, so we'll be rubbing down the two black boxes. The usual Chrome air freshener, awesome, and also the belt line kit. Now, I'm not sure I'm going to be fitting this today. Definitely something I want to do, but yeah, probably not for today. And that is everything that comes in the box. So in these two boxes, what have we got? We should have here are the door handle covers. They should be in gloss black to match the rest. Looks like it. Open. No, it's not. So that'll look quite good. And there's a strip of 3M tape in there, which is great. And it even says which one left. And I'm guessing that one will be right. Similar kind of deal. And in this one, because we have the F55, I ordered another two door handles because I can't have the front blacked out and the rear's not, so I've got another two door handles there. And in this box, what do we have? We have the Petrol Cap cover. So that's the dechroming kit that you get from chrome.co.uk. So you get everything, obviously, for the two headlight surrounds. And now these just, again, these will just, I'll peel that off and stick them on. That's, and they've also got, that's right and that is left, so that is all good. And also in here you've got, again, peel off the strip and stick it on. That's right. And that one I've opened already is the left one. So having a wee closer look, I mean, they're made of quite good quality plastic. Again, we've got some double-sided tape, and the idea of that is, you know, they will just clip on, making sure that the surface is nice and dry and degreased, and those should stick on quite the ticket. It's a great start, gets me closer to a completely dechromed car. And yeah, so what we'll do is, I'll probably do the front first, because there's more to stick on, and yeah, it's not great weather. So I'll see you at the car in a couple of minutes and we'll start getting this fitted. Just to let you see what I'm working with here. So it's been snowing the last couple of days. As you can see, it's not bad, but most of it's actually melted away, but it's still pretty chilly. So here's a wee walk around of the car as it stands at the moment. So as you can see, these are the chrome surrounds. I've not got the badge kit, but the badge kit is about 30 quid from the guys at Kill All Chrome, so I think I might get that, but I'll need to wait till payday because I'm absolutely rooked now. We've got the surrounds here. We've also got the petrol cap cover to stick on. We've got obviously the two sets of door handles. The mirror caps are already gloss black, so it should match pretty well. Not sure what I'm going to be doing with the scuttles, so I've tried to find these. Now I know that you can get the LED ones that go round and things, but you need to stick on your existing scuttle cover here, but that's chrome, so I don't want to put that on an LED one. I just want a black one with the S logo. That would be pretty cool, but I'm finding it a bit difficult to find one. I know you can wrap them and things, but I'm not too sure what to do with that. So coming around, we'll obviously do the two headlight surrounds here, and obviously the grille surround, we'll do that as well. Again, we might get the mini badge as well, and we've got the surrounds for the headlights as well, and the handles at the other side. Okay, so once we're happy that the surrounds are dry, we then take some isopropanol alcohol and just give that a good wipe round, degreasing and taking any contaminants off there to make sure that we get a good adhesion. Not to then do that and then touch it, because you've got oils and things on your hands that you can't, you know, that you'll then put the contaminants back on, and then you might not have it stick as well as it should.
Oh, that's smart. Have you got it?
Got one.
Okay.
Now it might not go all the way around though, that's the thing.
I can
But it should.
get this. Should be.
It's us. Yay,
It's
good
quite
job.
hard because you don't want to take off the sticky part.
I know, you just want the red bit to come off,
Yeah.
don't you?
Yeah.
Put that up there. Right,
Hairdryer.
hairdryer. Now you'll notice that the surround is actually thinner at one end than the other, so the thicker part goes to the top. Yeah. So let us offer this up. Stick it on. Make sure you've got good adhesion, pressing it all the way round. You might see there's a wee bit of movement in it, but it's not from the one that was stuck on, it's actually the one beneath it that's moving ever so slightly. And that are the headlights done.
They both look really smart.
They do look really smart, don't they?
Yeah. As I've
Good
said,
job,
that one.
Eva.
Thank
Right,
you.
so we've got that one.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's that one done. So next, what are we going to do next?
The back.
No.
Or that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to do this around.
Oh my gosh, that's huge.
Yeah. It's a big bit, isn't it?
Yes, it's.
Right, so
Oh my.
this is the grille surround that we get from as part of the dechroming kit. So
Does it still have
think-
something on it?
yeah,
Yeah.
it's got a wee
Oh.
protective coating on it, so that will go on like that.
Ooh, that looks really smart.
It
as well.
does look really smart, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But we've got the same thing
Oh.
inside, so we've got to take these off and things. So
There's a bit of tape to take the thing off.
oh, is it?
Yeah.
It might just be from the. So this bit's the top, yeah. So that's
Okay.
the bottom. So that actually goes round that way. Okay.
Oh, right, okay.
So what we need to do is, Eva, if I can give you the job of
Yeah.
taking off the red tape,
Uh-huh.
okay. And what I'll do is, what do you think I need to do?
Blow or oh no. Oh, wipe it with alcohol.
Yep, I need to wipe it with alcohol, because by
because we don't want germs, and plus you're not allowed to hold it and touch it after you wiped it because you've got oils and germs on your hands.
Yeah, you've got oils on your hands, you've got contaminants, so we don't want to, you can use maybe you can use a secret ingredient, you can from the detail kitchen just to take off the contaminants, but I like to use isopropanol alcohol with degreasing because it does make absolutely sure that there are no contaminants on there whatsoever. Yeah?
Okay. Keep pressing the wrong button instead of the...
And you think you'd know how to
I know.
use
Would you take this off fast? Okay.
yeah.
See if I click. See if it clicks. I feel like I've broken it or something.
Yeah, that's okay, as long as you're not.
Where does this go through? Okay.
Oh, how do you think that's looking, Eva?
Oh, that looks amazing.
Looks really good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So you want to give it a good push.
See, it's like I like it because firstly it's really smart, and secondly it looks a bit like eyes if you think about it. This is his eyes and this is the mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's the button nose.
And there's the button nose. So these are looking good, aren't they?
Yeah.
So that's the grill surround on. Fairly straightforward.
Yeah.
Just click on a wee bit, and then obviously the adhesive then sticks on there. So that is the front all done. Okay, so next up we're going to do the door handles.
Yeah.
We're going to do one of the door handles, and then
Okay.
we'll not show you doing all four because it's just really kind of rinse and repeat. Okay, so what we want to do is you want to just make sure that has been degreased. That's all good to go. And what you want to do is you just want to clip them on, and the 3M stick, well, the strip will stick onto the handle. So we just clip them on there and just give it a press. That's one done, 3 to go.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a wee bit rainy, a wee bit damp today, so we just have to make sure that this is as dry as we can. And that one done. And again, you got rubbing alcohol, isopropanol, or if you want to use the Detail Kitchen secret ingredient, you can do that as well. But I like to use isopropanol for degreasing. So that is good for this to stick. And let me see that, Eva, that's us. And that's already been heated up.
And sticked, or
And
3M,
should be able to then just make sure that this is nice and stuck on. It's looking good, isn't it? Okay.
Wow, that's really shiny.
And that's the filler cap done. Okay, so the last thing we need to do are the
these
tail light surrounds. That's it. And at some point I'll maybe get the dechrome kit for the badge. And the last one. Well, again, you can take a microfiber cloth and just give it a good press down where that tape is. Just make sure you're getting good adhesion between obviously the trim and the existing bezel.
If you don't know what adhesion means, it means like stuck on well, doesn't it?
Well done, yeah, that's right. That's
you.
what it means. It means good adhesion, stuck on well. So that's what the rear of the car looks like now. Dechromed, apart from the mini badge.
Yeah.
So we'll decide what we'll do with that.
Yeah.
Not sure whether or not to keep it chrome or.
Yeah.
But I think the new surrounds match this bit really well.
Yeah.
See, whereas before these were chrome, this was black.
They didn't match.
So, after a dechroming, successful dechroming session, this is what it now looks like. Still got the scuttles to do, but I don't know, as I said, I don't know what to do with that. And round the front, we've got the grille surround done, headlight surrounds. It's just this bar here. So this is where I need your help. So what do you think that bar should be covered? Should that be red, black, or should I keep it chrome?
Hard decision.
So let me know what you think down in the comments. I think red might look quite good as long as it matches the Cooper S logo. I think the red might look quite good. But let me know down in the comments what you think. So coming around to the other side, see that the door handle caps are on. And it's getting closer to a fully dechromed car.
Wow.
Thanks guys, that's it for another video. If you found this video useful,
Give it a like.
and if you've not already subscribed to the channel, click the
Subscribe button.
and
The bell.
for notifications for when we upload new videos. Eva, thank you very much for your help.
You're
You have been
welcome.
awesome. I think the dechroming kit looks fantastic. And yeah, that's it for another episode. So thanks very much for watching.
Thank you.
See you in the next one. Bye bye.